Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the HCF of 196 and 350. For that we are going to be using the prime factorization method. In this method we will first find the factors of the numbers separately. So let's find the factors of 196 and 350. As 196 is an even number, it is easily divisible by 2. 2 times 9 is 18, 1 is remainder, this becomes 16, 2 times 8 is 16, 2 times 4 is 8, 1 is remainder, this becomes 18, 2 times 9 is 18. Now 49 is an odd number, it is not fully divisible by 2, so we will use a different prime number. So the next prime number is 3, 49 is not fully divisible by 3, nor it is divisible by 5, so we'll use 7 to divide 49. 7 times 7 is 49 and 7 times 1 is 7. So the number is fully divided and the factors of 196 are 2 times 2 times 7 times 7 times 1. Now we'll find the factors of 350. It is fully divisible by 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 1 is remainder. This becomes 15. 2 times 7 is 14. 1 is remainder. This becomes 10. 2 times 5 is 10. Now 175 is an odd number. It is not fully divisible by 2. Nor it is divisible by 3. So we'll use 5 to divide 175. 5 times 3 is 15. 2 is remainder. This becomes 25. 5 times 5 is 25. Now 5 times 7 is 35. 7 times 1 is 7. So 350 is also fully divided. Let's write the factors of 350, which is 2 times 5 times 5 times 7 times 1. Now to find the HCF of the two numbers, which is the highest common factors, we are going to find the common factors in between the two numbers. So let's circle the common factors. Here 2 is a common factor, so we'll circle 2 in both the numbers. And there's one more common factor, which is 7. So 2 and 7 are the common factors in between both the numbers. So the HCF of the two numbers will be the product of these common factors. So 2 times 7 will be the HCF of these two numbers. And 2 times 7 is 14. So the HCF of 196 and 350 is 14. So this is how we find the HCF of any numbers using the prime factorization method. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.